Using this one strategy on the charts and a sharp eye, I was able to make $270 in just one trading session. So guys, I'll be trading cryptocurrencies and I'll be analyzing assets for optimum movements and payouts. We're going to be using the trend-based strategy today and the CCI oscillator with a period of 15. I'm going to identify local highs, lows, overbought sold areas, and each trade is going to start with $75 on the 1 minute time frame. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any notification I'm going to have. And yeah, let's get right into it, guys. Okay guys, so we're choosing Dogecoin here and we're opening a long trade in the direction of the current trend. It's a strong, confident upward trend, as you can see, and the alligator indicator, specifically its moving averages, you can see right here, it confirms this. There was a slight pullback in dynamics and the oscillator's moving line has already exited the overbought area. It seems a bit risky to trade against the trend at this point, so I'm gonna open following the price pullback. Let's see how it goes, guys. Nice. So the first trade closes in profit, guys. Great. Nothing difficult here. We're just following the indicators. Let's continue with $75 and select the next cryptocurrency, guys. So this time, guys, I'm gonna open a trade against the current trend. The recent volatility in this section of the movement is a bit questionable. I'm focusing on the moving line exiting the oversold area and anticipating that the pullback dynamics might continue. So guys, the structural and touch points here look solid, so I opened the trade against the trend. I expect the pullback to persist. Let's see what happens, guys. Sweet guys. So as you can see, the pullback continued as we expected and we're in profit again, guys. So the candle movement confirms the pullback dynamics if you check over here as well. Let's proceed with another $75 trade and pick the next asset. So here, guys, I'm gonna open a trade in the direction of the current trend, and the entry point isn't the best, to be honest, but I prefer the slightly higher position. But I believe the trade will succeed. Let's see how it goes. So the oscillator's moving line again indicates a downward trend. There was a pullback, and I'm avoiding trades against the actual trend since the moving line has already exited the oversold area. But let's see how it plays out. Nice guys. So yeah, we're in profit again. That's awesome. There was the sharp upward momentum in the last seconds, but because of our proper timing, we were able to secure the trade. Good. Yeah, let's move on to the next crypto asset. So guys, for this trade, I'm going to select Bitcoin and I'm trading against the current trend. This isn't a completely confident trade, but prior price volumes and flight dynamics offer multiple touch points. So if you see over here, the oscillator suggests an exit from the oversold area, providing potential. Let's see the result, guys. Awesome, guys. Awesome. I got the pullback dynamics and the trade closes in profit again. Nice. So despite the earlier downward movement, the price turned upward in the last seconds. Nice. This is a good day, guys. Let's move on to the next trade with $75 and a new cryptocurrency. So here we are gonna open a long trade despite the earlier formation of two local highs and one being a global maximum. The pullback has lasted for some time, so I'm entering at the lowest point of this pullback. While further downward movement is possible, let's see how this unfolds. Yes. So the trade closes a profit again, guys. A local minimum formed, signaling potential for further upward movement. The trade was actually well timed. Good, was a good one. Let's proceed with another $75 trade and wrap up our results, guys. So guys, I'm opening a long trade here, and the entry point looks really good based on a slightly different logic though. So the alligators moving lines are crossing, and the Elliott trend showed an upward direction. After updating the global minimum, the trend reversed. There was also a fractal based update to the local minimum, suggesting potential for continued upward movement. So let's see what happens, guys. Damn. So yeah, this didn't work out, guys. So unfortunately, this trade didn't come through. So the movement dynamics resumed following the trend. But it's fine. We had a lot of wins today. It was a risky trade since the alligators moving line didn't clearly intersect. Still, I believe my analysis and the entry logic were sound. The timing wasn't just the best. I'm gonna avoid further risks and I'm just gonna go ahead to withdraw. So guys, today's profits is totally $270. The withdrawal operation has been successfully initiated. So as you can see, guys, using this strategy, I was able to secure $270 in profit. Remember, guys, in trading, consistency and discipline is key. And if you want to dive into deeper strategies like this, make sure to join my Telegram group. I'm going to leave the link in the description and you can check that out. That's it for today, guys. So stay focused and happy trading. See you next time. Bye.